When I introduce the subject of contact lenses to a child and their parents, or the child introduces the subject of contact lenses, invariably the parent has some concerns. One of the concerns is that their child won't be responsible enough to care for a contact lens. And that may have been true 5 or 10 or 20 years ago. But now, these lenses really require no maintenance. When I go to fit a child with contact lenses, I think what they fear the most is that it's going to hurt. And that fear is quickly dismissed the minute Soflens Daily Disposable goes in, because it feels like absolutely nothing. And they're absolutely shocked, as are the parents, at how comfortable these things are. With regard to what parents might be also concerned about is age. They may think that their child is 10 or 11 or 12 years of age, too young to wear contact lenses. And while that may have been the case 10 or 20 years ago, it's no longer the case. In my office, I see lots of patients now who are tweens, preteen, who are wearing contact lenses. There are studies that bear out the fact that that population of contact lens wearers is very successful wearing contact lenses. So we're seeing, particularly in my office, a real infusion of young patients, preteen. If you were to wear a conventional 2-week or 4-week lens, and you'd consider solutions as part of the overall cost of wearing contact lenses, maybe eye drops for re-wetting that you buy at the drugstore that are very expensive, the amount that is spent is probably the same. Certainly in my office, significantly less than $1 a day.
I really was surprised at the less in cost of contacts. Now with the Soflens, it's a daily thing, and yes, I could understand why parents would feel like they were throwing away money, per se, because their children are throwing out these contact lenses every night. But in the long run, you're saving money.